getting ready to go see Night of a Million Lights at Give Kids the World Village. I'm already so cold. We haven't turned the heat on like this season yet, and I don't want to do it right when we're about to leave the house. So we're having some minestrone, so hopefully that will cool me off. This recipe is amazing. I will link it below. And I mean, cool me off. Warm me up. It's super hot. So that should help. I also have this really cute outfit I was like so excited about with my little scarf, my little hat. But like, you're not gonna see any of this. I'm just gonna put on my stepdad's humongous navy pea coat because it's the warmest thing I have. So excited to eat at this cute little Home Alone looking dinner table we set. I love it so much.
I look like Professor Christmas. Christmas was founded in
You look so cute. Look at this little peppermint tie.
I got it at Steinmart. Rest in peace.
Steinmart. Aw. Dang. 2020 casualty. You know what? I don't even care. I'm gonna be warm.
Yeah.
It's fine. You look great.
Thanks.
Are you gonna be warm?
I'm wearing a Henley under this and flannel, not flannel, like thermal underwear under these jeans. Okay.
Thermal underwear, sir. We don't need to know your business. This huge Christmas tree is. We did that Christmas tree.
Oh, we did. It's lit.
It's lit.
It's lit, fam.
Just in case you're new here, we volunteered at this event. We helped string lights and hang lights and decorate, and we helped make this event. It was really cool. And we came to a lot of previews, and I've made a lot of content about the event already. And tonight is a night that we purchased tickets to go on our own. The funds do go to help this charity, and so we're experiencing it as like real guests tonight. And I am looking forward to seeing like what the crowds are like, because that's a question I've gotten and I haven't quite seen it aside from previews. I volunteered at a preview aside from going to the ones that I've been to. So we're gonna go see tonight. This is our first time entering. This is the parking lot. There are actually, I think, 3. And this way has a really, really amazing entrance. You go through this light tunnel. It's my probably favorite thing here. I know I say that about everything, but so Bob that I mentioned, that is the technical director of this event, was so excited about this humongous Christmas tree on these lifts. It's amazing. I love this so much. What is this, 4 stories tall?
Yeah.
Because this is 3 stories. Woo! We're gonna hang out around here kind of by this entrance and wait for our friends. But I did want to tell you there are, I think, 4 different entrance times. 5 to 7, 6 to 8, 7 to 9, 8 to 10. That sounds right. So we're in the 6 to 8 slot. So it's an anticipated 2 hour. They want you to like kind of spend 2 hours at this event. So for right now, you saw what the parking lot was like, and this is the entrance area. They really did a lot of work to make this a safe event for now, and I think it worked. They wanted to stagger the entrances. They wanted to, there's masks, there's sanitizer everywhere. Like, they did all the things. But I think this is especially helpful to have the entrances so that everyone doesn't get here at once and there isn't crowding. So, way to go.
So we are walking over to one of the archways that we did. We were given a lot of leeway to do some creative work and decorate some archways, and we just saw a family pull over like just before they walk in and take a picture with this little Christmas tree that we created.
We made these little Christmas trees. So we stood here for, well, at this point we were pros. So this probably took us like, what, half hour, 45 minutes?
Yeah.
Lots of zip ties and patience and pulling the lights tight for precision.
And then making a little...
Jim made a little star out of like a clump.
Yeah.
Put all the lights together.
Electrical tape it all up.
Very nice, sir. Jim just pointed out this hand sanitizer has a foot pump. Okay, we're in. My friend gave me this headband, so I put it on. This is my favorite part. I love this so much. And this is like the entrance. If you park in the Christmas tree lot, you walk in through the tunnel. So tonight we bought gingerbread glasses and I'm obsessed. Let me see if I can show them to you. Wait, I'm ruining this. Gingerbread. Oh, okay, you can see some now, yeah. Oh yeah, like, if it's like 10-ish feet away, you can see. If you park in the other lot and you don't enter through this, I would still come look for it because it's so awesome. They added more lights even since we were here just a few weeks ago, I think. Throughout Give Kids the World Village, you can find really fun fire hydrants. This one's Snow White. But I love the way this looks. It's like a, I forget, it's like a boat company. I'll tell you in a minute. But this ocean and the dolphin, it's like my last video. It's like our vacation. Oh, Boston Whaler. That's what it is. This view right here is awesome. Around the water. And I was just saying that I think at this point we got here a little after 6. And so the people that got here at 5 probably parked on the other side and are now just making it to this end of the event. Hi, good to see you. I was about to say we went to visit some of our friends that work here, and then we saw another friend that works here. So it's a fun place to be. If you think this is awesome and you would love to be here, you can come and volunteer. I believe they have spaces available still. You could be directing parking, like in the parking lot. I think that's one I saw. And, you know, you don't have to be too close to people doing that. So definitely some socially distant options. And then you get to be here and see it.
I like the frog set up in the little lake over there, sitting on a lily pad. It's cute. Ribbit.
I feel pretty good about the crowds. What do you think?
Me too. There's a lot of space, especially now. It's thinned out a little bit, so there's plenty of room for everybody. I think there's another wave of folks coming soon, maybe, but you can really easily navigate around people, and it's comfortable. And people are, for the most part, respecting your space as well. So that's good.
Pepsi is one of their partners, and this is a Pepsi bottle tree. Come on, how amazing is that? Judy Benson is the voice of the event. So on the avenue, there are a few more people. This is where like a lot of the lights are and a lot of the things to see. This is where the carousel is that you can ride. So this area is a little more crowded, still very doable. Very happy to share that, you know, now it's a real event night and it's still a fantastic option this holiday season. I do love that it's like, you know, a walk around experience, but I also really just like to sit and look at Christmas lights, and there are some little corners you can do that on the avenue. That's like the main, it's like the main street, isn't it, of Give Kids the World. Really love to see this tree twinkle. Santa was over there. It's just feel goods all around. Jim, do you want to push the button?
Yeah.
Jim's gonna push it. Ooh. All right, let me see it in action. Hey. Oh, is this one empty? I think I saw you got a little. Maybe it doesn't dispense that much. One of my favorite things here is this buttered popcorn. Very simple, very magical. My favorite food. This part looks pretty amazing. It's Miss Mary. Aww. I like her holiday outfit. Is it just me, or are Christmas lights very romantic?
Que romantico.
So we've pretty much seen it all, like multiple times now. But I was excited to see that they added more than last time even. They kind of like did some more trees, and now this time, oh yeah, there's a little more here.
Oh yeah.
Just added a little bit here and there. It's so beautiful. And I know a lot of you said you were getting tickets, which is awesome. Had a lot of people on Instagram tell me they were coming. I also had a lot of people say they couldn't come because they don't live here or they're not able to travel, of course. Who knows? Maybe it'll happen again. I would love for this to become a regular thing. I think it's just, there's nothing like a Christmas light display. To me, it's the best. This is where the guests check in normally when they come here. All right, we're wrapping it up here. We're on the way out, and Jim said, do you want to go down the avenue or down this street to get to the car? And I picked this street. It's the street right behind their like main street here. And we didn't realize when my little cousin Dylan stayed here, he had such a prime spot. But they decorated it really cool also for this event. The partner of his villa is Holiday Inn Club Vacations, and it kind of has like these little animations. I'll show you. It's cool. But it's also next to Perkins and across from Hasbro. And this little cutie.
These little beauties.
These little beauties. But I really like what they did with this one. So we saw them actually putting this stuff in, but we didn't know it was animated until recently. I saw the windows, but then also these little signs, at least the back ones, are animated. It's so neat. Really cute. This is definitely me and Jim on vacation.
Boing,
Boing, boing. Very nice. I love this kid's hair blowing in the wind. Get it. Boston Market says they are holiday experts. Let us reduce your stress during the holidays.
Not just holiday experts, but the holiday experts.
You saw it here first. The holiday experts. Oh, somebody's dancing over here. Having a good time. Get it. Santa Baby. Oh, this is Taylor Swift. I just found this CD while getting my stuff together for the holidays. Do you hear a who? Fun fact. Horton hears one.
How could he miss with those ears?
When I was in high school, when I was a freshman in dance, I was Mrs. Mayor we did like Sue School the Musical, and I had like an 8 count of a part. All right, guys, so I got this engagement ring, right? And then I got the wedding ring, as you do, and then there's like an airplane by here, or an airport. So I got this wedding ring, got this engagement ring. When my hands get cold, they're a little loose. So I need another ring, right? Right?
Or a bolt to lock them on. Get a locking bolt.
This discussion has ended. We're both trying to get the last word in, and I'm crying my makeup off. All right, well, that concludes tonight. I'm really glad we got to go again. I'm glad we got to experience it just for fun, not volunteering tonight. We got to just be here, see what it was like on a real night, see people enjoying it. Very happy with the mask compliance and the number of people here. Fantastic idea for a holiday event. But you know what I really like about it is that it is like relaxing.
Yeah.
I don't really like leave here feeling exhausted. You
It's
do
your
walk
own pace,
around.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's about a mile, I think, from end to end.
I think depending on which way you go, it
Yeah.
could be more than that. But you like choose your own,
Yeah.
you know,
Your
you
own
choose your own
adventure.
path. Yeah. All right, so that's it for tonight, and we'll see you next time.